Hi YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, Investing in the Rockies. In today's episode, I'm going to be discussing all the dividends that I've earned since I began investing. First off though, I'd just like to say a big thanks to everyone that's subscribed so far, everyone that's commenting under all my videos, everyone that's liking them all. Thanks so much for supporting the channel, it really means a lot. If you want to see more of these financial videos and if you're enjoying watching my journey to financial freedom, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you all the dividends that I've earned so far since I began investing. I'm going to do this by logging on to my Wealthsimple account, and I'm going to filter my activity so it shows you all the different companies that have paid out dividends. Then I'm going to go on to Google Sheets, and I've actually drawn up a wee bar graph, and it just shows the progression of the dividends that I've earned month by month. Before we do that though, I'd just like to very quickly recap on exactly what is a dividend. A dividend is a payment that a company makes to its investors that have invested in their company by buying stocks. So some companies have dividend paying stocks. For example, if a stock in a certain company costs $100 and they have a dividend yield of 4%, that means that each year they're going to pay you $4 per year. And there are many different companies that I have in my portfolio that pay out dividends. Few examples off the top of my head: Suncor Energy, Enbridge, Toronto Dominion Bank, any of the big banks in Canada like CIBC, Nova Scotia Bank, all pay out dividends. I aim for a dividend yield of roughly 4%, but it doesn't really matter if it's a bit below or a bit above. I just kind of try to average it out at 4%. My goal when I started on this financial journey was to achieve financial freedom, and I want to achieve that by earning dividends. I want to earn an average salary of maybe $50,000 to $60,000 per year purely on dividends. That's why I started this. That's the end goal. This is going to be the first video of many, by the way. I just want to let you know that this is going to be the start of an actual series. I intend on doing these videos at least once a month. Maybe as I progress and I start earning dividends quite a lot, I could maybe fit 2 of these videos in per month. But for now, I'm going to be doing a video per month to show exactly how much dividends I've earned for each month. So please subscribe if you want to see that. For now, we're going to dive into my laptop and I'm going to go over my Wealthsimple Trade account and show you all the dividend payments that I've received over the last number of months. Alright everyone, here's my Wealthsimple Trade account. If you just go into the activity tab here on your Wealthsimple accounts, if you click that, and if you hit the filter button up here, I'll go down to dividends and hit done. This will show me all the dividends that I've earned since I started trading on Wealthsimple. I'm going to scroll right down to the bottom here, and we'll just show you. There we go. So XRE, that's a REIT. My first ever dividend was 6 cents, and I received that on February 28th. VRE, that's another REIT, and I received 18 cents. Shaw Communications, that's like a Wi-Fi thing here in Canada, 30 cents. XRE REIT again on March 31st, 38 cents. This is another REIT, Ryokan, for 60 cents. VRE, another REIT, 37 cents. Good thing about REITs, by the way, is the REITs, by the way, stands for Real Estate Investment Trust, and a lot of them actually pay out a dividend per month. And a lot of companies will do their dividends per quarter, so 4 times per year. But REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts, actually pay out dividends monthly, which is really nice, getting them monthly. VRE again, 37. Bank of Nova Scotia, 270. We hit the dollar mark here on April 28th, a lovely dividend of 270. Shaw Communications, because I bought more in Shaw Communications, I received a dividend of 79 cents. TD, big dividend here, Toronto Dominion Bank of 316 on April 30th. XRE, REIT again, 116, April 30th. ZEB, that's an ETF, a banking ETF made up of most of the major Canadian banks here in Canada, received 60 cents. Ryokan received 96 cents. VDY, that's another ETF, 163. VRE, 110. Apple paid me out $1.14, which is pretty nice. Shaw came in again there on May 28th for $1. XRE May 29th, $1.50. This is Canadian Tire, $1.14. This is Fortis, which is like an energy company here in Canada, $3.34. Pretty pumped with that. Enbridge, which is an energy company here in Canada. This is my biggest dividend I've received so far, $4.05. ZEB, that's another ETF, received $1. And last but not least, Ryokan, I received 96 cents. So there you have it. There's all the dividends that I've earned. And I don't know if you can notice this, but as you can see from my first dividend of 6 cents right up here to receiving $4 and $3, they've been progressively getting bigger and bigger. The thing is with dividend investing, when you put money in, it might take time for the dividends to come, but eventually it's almost like it's like a snowball effect. The dividends are going to get bigger, and the more money I pump into my portfolio and the more money you pump into your portfolio at home, the bigger and bigger these dividend payments are going to get. We'll just click into my Google Sheets now. I've actually made up a bit of a bar graph, and you can see how much I've earned per month, and we'll see what direction it's going in. So here's my Google Sheets. This is just a breakdown of the dividends that I've earned month by month. As we can see here, January 0, obviously, because I hadn't actually made my first investment until early February. So in February, I made 6 cents of dividends. In March, I made 86 cents. In April, I made $8.78. In May, I made $7.92. And in June, I made $10.49. So as you can see, the dividends are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And before I know it, I'm going to be earning $50, $60, $70 per month in dividends. And $50, $60, $70 a month out here can pay a phone bill. Like, that's already me being able to pay off a bill. That's me getting one step closer to becoming financially free. I think keeping track of all the dividends you've earned really keeps you motivated and keeps you pumped to keep putting money into your portfolio. Because I can see, like physically in front of my eyes here, the money is starting to come in and it's starting to get bigger and bigger and bigger. That motivates me. That gives me the motivation to keep putting money into my portfolio in order to see these payments grow and grow and grow. Eventually, I want that to be $1,000 a month, if not more. It'll come. It will take time. But as I say, the best thing about dividends is the fact it is a snowball effect. This is like a snowball rolling down the hill. It's only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's basically it for today's episode, folks. I hope you really enjoyed that. That's all the dividends that I've earned since I started investing. As I said, this is the first episode of a series. I'm going to be doing these videos every month. Hopefully more once the time comes, but I'll be producing these videos every month. Therefore, I'd really like to ask, if you like the video and if you want to see more, please smash the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm on my way to financial journey. I'd love to show everyone it, and I'd love everyone to get some tips from it too. Apart from that, everyone take it easy. Peace out.